Bun singi hadin malasya dumok hakaying bishar jong jala Meghalaya kakan hun menteri jong kani jala hakas singi baar kala a jingbet ban pentrikam no ik rooster system nak benta ban pentrikam ya ka bahak tungkam tungjam ha ka jala Meghalaya. Habe kran berkinong pathai khubor hadin balawa ke jilang menteri rang ba ka jala Konrad Kis Sangma ulang baya kani kamat an sa bishar ha poking bishar mentak singi bat kumta ka benta ka pakongsan kalong ban penkhut no ik rukom trikam rooster system menteri rang ba ka jala ulayai ban ru yaha kejuk kapor baka rooster system kepentikna banyak bahak tungkam dungjam dan sebentar kam katkum ka balapruj dak tik patik laong usang ma da ka bishar ya jingkar pat persya ka ing bishar ka jala hau bena yayong klaai por lai tayo ya sorkar jala benwan ra ikrukum trekam rooster system nak benta ban pentrekam ya bahak tungkam tungjam la kala pensaknya no sywaru ya barok kijing tungkam tat hadu baka sorkar jala kan pentrekam ya rooster system
challenged people, but then now with the roster system coming in, suppose there is a 10 posts that are there, then then of course there will not be any reservation for the physically challenged, and then again the next if there are 15 posts that have come out for recruitment, then the 15th post will go to the physically challenged. So the roster system ensures that the reservation policy is implemented in letter and spirit.
Kesorkar jala hadu menta kampat yok piang satya